school collaboration, selection of representatives for collaboration with local bodies, identification of role and responsibilities of partners, parents teachers meeting, allocation of time for parents teacher meeting, mechanism to promote communication, overcoming linguistic barriers. Introduction. Schools have long recognized that they have a role in supporting young people's wider development, of which educational attainment is a critically important part. The guidance notes that excellent teaching and learning to unlock the potential of every child must continue to be the core business of schools, on which they have the lead role. But schools can and do also make a significant contribution to other aspects of development, both because these are important in their own right for a good childhood and because they impact on children's ability to learn and develop. School community collaboration occurs when groups or agencies come together to establish an educative community. Community development theory. Point 1. Since the late 19th century, the use of the term community has remained to some extent associated with the hope and the wish of reviving once more the closer, warmer, more harmonious type of bonds between people ambiguously attributed to past ages. Point 2. Before 1910, there was little social science literature concerning community, and it was really only in 1915 that the first clear sociological definition emerged. Point 3. This was coined by C.J. Galpin in relation to defining rural communities in terms of the trade and service areas surrounding a central village. A number of computing definitions of community quickly followed. Point 4. Some focused on community as a geographical area, some on a group of people living in a particular place, and others which looked to community as an area of common life. Approaching the theory of community, it is helpful to begin by noting that community can be approached as a value. As such, it may well be used to bring together a number of elements, for example, solidarity, commitment, mutuality, and trust. Community can be approached as a descriptive category or set of variables. Initially, community can be explored in three different ways: place, number one, number two, interest, and number three, communication, communion जिसे भी आप कहते हैं. Community as network and local social systems. It is a fact that people live close to one another does not necessarily mean that they have much to do with each other. Simple points. It is the nature of the relationship between people and the social networks of which they are a part that is often seen as one of the more significant aspects of community. When people are asked about what community means to them, it is such networks that are most commonly cited. Beyond that perimeter lie work, religious places, neighborhood, civic life, civil life, and a group of others. Wenger identified five types of sport networks. Wenger identified five types of sport networks. Number one, the local family dependent sport network. Number two, the locally integrated sport network. Number three, the local self contained sport network. Number four, the wider community focused sport network. Number five, the private restricted sport network. Explain करते हैं नंबर वन local family dependent sport network. This mainly relied on close kin who often shared a household or life locally. आपका घर आपके रिलेशनशिप आपके रिश्तेदार वाले अम्मी अबू बहन भाई ये उस नेटवर्क को जो सपोर्ट करते हैं लोकल फैमिली डिपेंडेंट कहते हैं. Number two, the locally integrated sport network. This typically consisted of local family, friends and neighborhood. जो लोकल आपकी फैमिलीज होती हैं, फ्रेंड्स होते हैं या नेबरहुड होते हैं, हमसाया, वो इस ग्रुप में सपोर्ट करते हैं. The local self-contained sport network, usually restricted in scale and containing mainly neighbors. These forms had relatively little kin involvement. ये किस पे किसे सपोर्ट कर रहा होता है, आपके थोड़े से इसमें आपके रिलेशनशिप होते हैं, वो ज्यादा इसमें मेनली जो डिपेंडेंस होती है वो किस पे होती है, आपके हमसायों की होती है. The wider community focused sport network involving a high level of community activities. This form also typically entailed a high number of friends and kin. The private restricted sport network characterized by an absence of close kin. इसमें close kin नहीं होते. Aside from a spouse in some cases, this type also meant few friends or neighborhoods. Community norms and habits. The, to judge the quality of life within a particular community, we need to explore what shared expectations there are about the way people should behave and whether different individuals take these on. Three linked qualities appear with some regularity in discussion of communal life. Number one, tolerance, बर्दाश्त करना. Number two, reciprocity. And number three, trust. Social capital. A sense of belonging and the concrete experience of social networks and the relationships of trust, etc., that are involved can bring significant benefits. However, the sense of attachment and quality of social networks varies greatly between the different communities that people name, like child development, public spaces, economic prosperity. Formulation of objectives for community school collaboration. Schools do not exist in isolation and they cannot go it alone. To keep students in school, their social, economic, and family needs, as well as their academic needs, must be met. They need the support and help of the whole community. The often heard statement, "it takes a village to raise a child," is very true. Volunteers and funding are two major ways that communities support their schools. Some of the initiatives that involve partnering with the community are school to work programs, after school centers, and parental involvement programs. Improving school community collaboration by formulating objectives. Number one, objective, encourage community use of school facilities, student recognition, gold cards, honor society, honor passes, senior citizens banquet, positive reinforcement.